you ever wondered what happens to your body during a sneeze? A single sneeze can launch droplets from your mouth at speeds over 100 miles per hour. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your body is actually protecting you, forcing particles, dust, and even some germs out before they can cause harm. But here's the catch. The force of your sneeze can send thousands of tiny droplets into the air, traveling up to 26 feet. This is why sneezing into your elbow or a tissue isn't just polite, it's important for everyone's health. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming, will you remember the power you hold in just a single breath?